Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you how to prepare vegetable yam aka agwora in my local dialect. Let's dive into it. First, you put your yam on fire. As you can see, it's already boiling, and the ingredients I will be using, this is my spring onion, my palm oil, salt, mangi cube, we have pepper, we have crayfish, and the vegetable. After my yam is ready, then now I will now steam my vegetable with salt and my spring onion. I'm adding my spring onions, just little. I'll preserve the other one for the frying of the oil. Then salt. I'll now cover it. Let's check. Yes, that's steam. Once it's like this, my vegetable is done already, so I'll bring it down. So I'm adding my palm oil. The palm oil is not expected to bleach, so I will not allow the oil to bleach. I'll add the spring onions. Stir. I'll allow it to fry a little. Salt. Then stir. Add my crayfish. Stir. So I'm pouring the yam on top of my steamed vegetable. Add the pepper. Add my mangi cubes, my seasoning cubes. This is a African nutmeg. I didn't introduce it, but I will add it for fine aroma. This is African nutmeg. And little salt. And I'll now pour the red oil with spring onions. So I'm going to miss. Miss. Please like and share this native food, please. If you have watched up to this length, please like and share my video. Miss. It's colorful. Very delicious. The aroma is everywhere. This is the final look. Now come and join me. Please like and share my video, please. Comment if there's anything you want us to add.